Hello, I hope everyone's doing well. If you hear my voice weird, it's okay, I'm sick. But here I am with some new gels from Madame Glam, and guys, like the gels that they sent me this time, for me they're the most beautiful gels I ever had in my collection. For me, they're the most beautiful and perfect holographic gels. I already have some holographic glitter, you know, the chunky glitter, but this one are so smooth. Like the gel is so smooth, so easy to apply, so satisfying seeing them on my nails. I was like there blending them and I was not getting bored. Like I could have done this the entire day, just sit there, blend them and enjoy the beauty of those colors. Anyway, I tried to take pictures and videos in different lights so you can see as good as possible the beautiful colors, and together with them they have sent me a glitter gel that I already haven't used in my previous videos, and this is why I didn't use it here, but you can see it at the end of the video in a swatch. Now I'm going to let you see the rest of the video. I hope you enjoy it. And as always, the link for the website is in the video description box. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.